Welcome back. We are covering number 14 of 20 tips to get you started with the Microsoft OneNote for Mac. The default tips that I have here are probably going to be somewhat similar, but there's typically some differences sometimes in terms of how you do things if you're using Mac versus PC on like Microsoft's native Office suite of tools here. So you'll have to, there's plenty of tutorials out there for those as well. But because I'm developing these videos on the Mac with OneNote here, I'm recording it here. So, and again, Mac is becoming more and more mainstream in corporate America. So, you'll be able to figure it out, or, at least give you a running start here, or be able to search for another tutorial. Again, today we're covering number 14, which is change the default settings for your fonts. And before we get going, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, which is the like button, and then also click the alert button so you're notified of future videos that come out. And feel free also to share this playlist with somebody who might have use to and wants to, become more organized and, better note taker in meetings or in class or within your organization. So feel free to share this playlist. It's going to be in the description of the video here below, and we're going to jump right in. So again, there's a default settings for your fonts here. So right now it's Calibri, and it's 11, right? So I'm just gonna type something here, and then you can see if I highlight this, you'll see it up here as well, and that it's Calibri 11. And so, that's okay, right? That's at least you know where you are there. So the next thing you wanna do, if you wanna change that, I'm gonna go up here and you wanna click to the OneNote heading here next to the Apple button at the very top, and I'll click off of it again, right? See the Calibri 11, and again, go up, hit the OneNote, and then go down to preferences. Okay, and from preferences, there's going to be there's 6 default buttons that are listed here, right? You have general, and you can click the back area if you happen to click on the wrong section, but we're going to skip these other ones, and we're going to go up to edit and view. That's where you can change the default, right? So I'm going to go ahead, and there you can see the default font is Calibri 11. So let's do this. Let's change it to, I don't know, something funky here. I'm not going to keep scrolling around. Let's go up here. I don't know, let's go Bradley Hand ICC, right? And we're going to change it to something ridiculous like 16. And then we're going to hit back, okay? And then we're just going to click the X button and click off of this. And look what happened here. You see that it has changed already, and it's actually changed within the setting where the cursor was here. And so I can type something in the default font now. That's how you change it. It's that simple, right? So again, I know people have certain preferences in terms of fonts and size and things like that, and that's where you go and do it. But again, it's pretty straightforward and not too hard. And I'm going to go ahead and do it one more time, and I'm going to change it back to Calibri 11. So I'm going to go back again. Here's the Apple button. You're going to click on the OneNote section at the very top, and you may have changed your screen around or your toolbar around too. Sometimes people like to have them on the sides, and all their icons on their desktop on the side as well. I typically have it in the traditional spots, but let's go down to preferences. I'm going to go over and hit the edit and view, and then I'm going to move this down, and we're going to change it back to Calibri. And I may be saying that wrong too. And 11, and I'm becoming more of a font snob these days. I really do enjoy fonts, and been watching some videos on, just the different styles. And I'm actually a journalism major, so, took actually a class in fonts, but anyway, so I'm going to hit the back button, I'm going to click on the red X to close it out. And there we go. You can see that actually, it is, there you go. When I start typing, it changes back to Calibri 11. So anyway, it's that simple. It's not hard, easy to do. And that's going to do it for this video. But before we go, I'm going to ask you to click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, which is the like button, and then also click the alert button. And we will talk to you at the next video.